So today we are just going to go for the practice session of the sequence worksheet. Now we have the first question. There are 5 terms in the sequence. You have to find the next term. Yes, Fajr. Can you please tell me what is the next term in this sequence? You have to be tell me about the next term of this sequence.
23.
Yeah, 23. What is the difference between the two terms?
3.
That is 3. 11 minus 8, 3. 14 minus 11, 3. And so on. So the next one will be 23. In the same way, if you want to find more, that will be 26 and so on. Yes, Rabia. Read the question and tell me what we have to do here. Rabia,
The nth term of a number sequence is n squared plus 1. Write down the first 3 terms of the sequence.
yes, how you can find it?
Sir, I don't get it.
He says that you have to find the first nth term. Yes, Hanana. Yes, Hanana.
Sorry, so we would first, in case of nth term, we would write 1 because we need to find the first
Yeah.
term,
First term is n is equal to 1.
and then we would substitute in
Second
the
term
formula.
n is equal to 2. And the third term n is equal to
3.
3. So we have to substitute it. Basically, this Tn is going to be given. So T1 will be equal to 1 square plus 1. It will be,
2.
and T2 will be
5.
square plus 1. That will be 5. And T3 will be
10.
14.
plus 1. That will be
Oh, sorry, 10.
10.
10. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, Rabia.
Sir, in this question, we can take any term,
No,
like n is equal to 5,
not really the
like this.
first 3 terms. First 3 terms. In the first term, obviously, n will be 1. The second term, n is 2. And the third term, n is equal to 3. He says that first 3 terms. Obviously, in the first 3 terms, always n will be 1, 2, and 3. If he says that you have to find the 100th term, so you will substitute n is equal to 100. If he says that you have to find the 20th term, so you will substitute n is equal to 20. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rabia. Tell me about this one now. First of all,
Sir,
tell me
the
which kind of sequence it
difference.
is.
Sir, it's a linear sequence.
Yeah, and what is the difference?
It's 3.
Minus 3. 12 minus 15. That is minus 3. All right, and so the first term will be equal, a is equal to
15
b is equal to,
minus 3.
how we can find the nth term?
It will be a plus n minus 1 into d.
A is
15 plus n minus 1 into minus 3.
plus use the bracket. So 15 minus multiplied by n minus 3 and minus 10 minus is plus 3. So we will get 15 plus 3, it is 18 minus 3, and this is the nth term of this sequence. Yes, everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Fatima, tell me about the next one.
The sequence has nth from 2n square plus 5n minus 15. Find the difference between fourth term and the fifth term of the sequence.
Yes, how will you find the fourth term?
So instead of n square, we write 4.
We have to substitute n is equal to 4, and for the fifth term, we will put n is equal to
5.
5. So n4 is equal to 2 into, at the place of n, 4 square plus 5 into n is 4 minus 15. So 4 square will be 16. 16 multiplied by 2 will be 32 plus 20 minus 15. 20 minus 15, that will be 5. And 5 plus 32, it will be 37.
37.
We have to do it without calculator, all right?
Yeah.
Now, next one, we have to find the fifth term. So T5 is equal to 2 into 5 square plus 5 into 5 minus 15. Yes, 5 square will be 25. 25 multiplied by 2 will be 50
50.
plus 25 minus 15. So 25 minus 15 is 10.
10,
10
60.
plus 6, that is 60.
And then 60 minus 57 because we have to find the
You have
difference.
to find the difference. So difference,
53.
we always subtract the bigger minus smaller value. So T5
Yeah.
minus T4, that is 60 minus 637. That will be
23.
23. Yes, Mehran. Tell me about this one.
Uh, so first we need to write the n term formula.
Now, first of all, you need to find the difference. First of all, you need to be check that it is a arithmetic sequence, it is a quadratic one, it is a cubic one, or it is a geometric one. You need to be find that. Take the difference.
First, five
Minus 5, 12 minus 5, minus 5. And from here to here,
minus 5
minus 5. From here to here,
minus 5.
minus 5. Assalamu alaikum, Tahur. Yes. The next value will be
Negative 3.
negative 3. Obviously, the next will be T5 will be negative 3. Clear? We just have to find that. In the next part, he says that you have to find the nth term. How we find it?
So we'll write the formula for n term.
A plus n minus
N
1.
minus 1 difference.
Yes, what is A?
A is 17
And D is
minus 5.
minus 5. All right, let's see how to simplify. It is 17 minus 5 and minus 10 minus is plus minus 5 and 17 plus 5.
22.
23.
22. Yeah, 22. Sorry. It is 20. All right, so to the next one. Yes, Taha. Tell me about the next one.
So the nth term of a sequence is 60 minus 8n. Find the largest number in this sequence. Sir, I don't get it.
He says that. Yes, anyone? Anyone who got the idea? Read the question again, all of you. Yes, Miran.
Maybe the largest number is 60.
No. Think about it.
Sir, we have to find the sequence.
We have to find a sequence. You can find a sequence. Yes, if you will find it, what you will get?
We will find the largest number in the sequence.
If all of you, please find a sequence on your notebook. Substitute n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it and tell me which is the largest value.
So the largest value is 52.
Yes, obviously when you have to substitute it, there is no need, but still if you want to do the working, substitute n is equal to 1, you will get 60 minus 8, that will be 60 minus 8 into 1, you will get 52. And you will substitute n is equal to 2, so 60 minus 8 into 2, that is 16, and 16 minus 60, that will be 44. And obviously if you have to move n is equal to 3, 4, 5, you obviously you have to increase the positive integers. So the values are going to be still decreasing and decreasing. So means the largest value in this sequence will be
52.
2. Yes, everyone. Any question up to here?
No.
No, sir.
Okay. In the next one, he says that here are the 5 terms of the difference sequence. Yes, Fajr. 12, 19, 26, 33, and 40. Find the expression for the nth term. First of all, tell me which type of sequence it is.
Sir, it's the arithmetic.
Arithmetic sequence. What is the difference?
7.
The difference between these two?
6.
No. Again, 7.
7.
26 minus 19, that is 7 as well. 33, 26 is 7. And
Yes,
look
sir.
at this.
7.
First one, A is this and D is 7. Yes, the nth term we have to be equal to. Yes, Fajr.
A and minus 1 D.
Plus and minus 1 multiply by D. A is 12.
A is 12 plus and minus 1 and 7.
12 plus 7 and minus 7. It will be 7 and 12 minus 7. That will be
5.
5. So that's the term. Okay. Yes, Mehran. Tell me about this one.
Sir, the difference is 2. So we'll write the formula for the enter.
Minus 2. Minus 2.
Yeah,
Don't mistake. So A is equal to 7 and D is equal to minus 2. We have the nth term is equal to A
plus
plus and
n
minus
minus 1.
into D. So 7 minus 2n minus 10 minus is plus 2. So 7 plus 2, 9 minus 2n. Yes, everyone. It is clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Fatima. Tell me about the next one.
They are the first 4 term of a sequence. Write down the next row. So the difference is 3.
It is 3.
So 14 plus 3, it will be 17. The next row.
Yeah, it will be 17. How we can find
And
answer? The same thing.
5. Wait 1 second.
5
N minus 1 into 3.
minus 1 into 3. 5 plus 3n minus 3 and 3 and 5 minus 3, that will be
2 plus 3n.
3n minus plus 2. 3n minus 3n plus 2. Clear?
Okay.
Yes, everyone. Any question up to here?
No.
No, sir.
Yes, yeah. Tell me about the next one. Yes, Rabia.
Yes, sir. It's decreasing by 4, minus 4. And it's an arithmetic sequence.
Right. So next time will be
A plus, do we do it directly?
next term. No, only he says that tell me the next 2 terms
So
after
it
7.
will be it will be 3.
7 minus 4, that is 3.
1 and minus 1.
3 minus 4, that will be
Minus 1.
minus 4. But we are not finding the nth term. We are just finding the next terms. And now, in the next part, he says that you have to find the nth term. So look at here, we will get A is equal to 19 and D is equal to,
Minus 4.
so the nth term will be
A plus n minus 1 into D.
19 plus n minus 1 into
minus 4.
minus 4.
So
19 minus
minus 4n plus 4.
plus 4. 19 plus 4
23 minus 4n.
minus 4n. All right, we have the next part as well. Yes, Hanana, tell me about this one. He says that find the value of n when the nth term is minus 64.
So get the formula that we used last in D.
Yes.
Okay, so equals to 23 minus 4 times minus 65.
Now, it is the nth term is given. Nth term is given. You have to find the value of n.
Oh, would we put minus 65 on the other side where Tn is?
Term is given. That is minus 65
Yeah,
is equal to
23 minus 4n.
yeah. Take minus 4n here. It will be plus 4n.
Then
Minus 65 will be plus 65. Yes, 65 plus 23.
88.
4 is multiplying. On the other side will be
Then
3y.
22.
It will be
22.
so basically at the 22th term means T22, the answer will be minus 64.
Yeah.
Sir, can we substitute 65 in place of both n in the formula? Like write minus 65 equals.
Yes.
Yes, sir, in both n.
Look at here. N is the number of term. Tn is the 10th term means you are finding the value. All right. For example, you have a sequence. Look at here. This is a sequence. So you are getting the value at n is equal to 1. You are getting the value n is equal to 2. You are getting the value n is equal to 3. You are getting the value n is equal to 4. On the other hand, your 19 is the first term. 15 is the second term that you will get. 11 is the third term. Get it? Obviously, all the sequences are started from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Right? All the positive integers. The first value
Yes.
of the sequence is always n is equal to 1. But what is the value at that here? That is 19. Obviously, it is going to be varied from sequence to sequence. So the first term is 19. So they are totally both different things. N and Tn is both different things. It is term. It is a number of values. Means you are talking about the first term. You are talking about the third term. It is a number of term, and it is a term itself. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Taha. Tell me about the next one.
All right, so we will use a plus n minus 1 into d. So a will be 8 here, and the difference will be plus 3.
So the nth term will be
A 8 plus n minus 1 into 3. So it will be 8 plus 3n minus 3. So it will be 5
yeah,
plus 3n.
right?
Yes.
All right. So let's see how to skip this question because okay, my 666 again arithmetic. You have to do it by yourself. All right. Let's see how to talk about this one. Now look at here. The sequence and the pattern are going to be. These are going questions are going to become in the exam in which you have the sequence and the patterns. Okay, look at here. He says that the pattern number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that it is n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to the number of gray mats in the first pattern. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 already written. And the second one, you have a number of mats is going to be 9. In the third one, you have 12. In the next one, you have 15. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. The total maths are also given. He says that you have to complete the table. So you first of all you have to be look for these values. What is the difference between them?
3.
3.
3.
It is 3. It is 3. So the number of gray mass
18.
in the fifth
18.
value, it will be
18.
18. And the total mass, look at the difference. What is the difference here?
4.
4.
Here the difference is
5.
here the difference is.
6.
So what will be the next value?
28.
28. Okay, first of all, tell me what type of sequence it is.
Quadratic.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you will take the
quadratic.
difference again. This value is going to be same. It is a quadratic one, but it is a very easier thing, so we can easily find the next value. Yes, everyone, it is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But he says that find an expression in terms of n, the number of gray mats in the pattern. Number of gray mats in the pattern, we have to find the nth term. So again, we know that it is a
Quadratic
no
sequence.
gray mats,
Arithmetic.
mathematics. So nth term of gray mats will be equal to first term plus n minus 1 into t. 3n minus 3
Plus
will be
3n.
3n plus.
3n.
Yes, Sayom, it is clear.
Yeah.
Sir.
Okay, in the next one, he says that Marco makes a pattern with 24 gray mats. Find the total number of mats in this pattern. All right. He says that Marco makes a pattern with 24 gray mats. Find the total number of 24 gray mats. Okay, we can go one by one as well, or we can use the formula as well here. Yes, Hanana?
So do we substitute 24 in the formula that we
Yes,
created?
yes, we can.
Oh, okay.
We have getting the formula Tn is equal to, for the gray mats, it is 3n plus 3. So it is 24 minus 3 is equal to 3n. It is 21 divided by 3. So n is equal to 7.
7.
Or you can do it by yourself as well. 18 plus 21, and 21 plus 3, that will be 24.
4.
Obviously, it is the sixth term and it is the seventh term.
7.
Clear?
Sir, I still didn't get the difference between n and nth term. Isn't if n minus 1, isn't it the first term? So it's
Look at
the
here.
same, right?
It is going to be given the pattern number, right? Or a sequence number. It is the first value. I mean, not value, it's just gives you the, for example, you have something is going to be here, and he says that what you have at the third place. All right. In the screen, I will show you the screen 1 second. Look at here. These are all of you, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So who is at the first place? Yes, Rabia.
Miran.
Miran is
Yes,
at the first place. All right. And yes, Rabia. What is your place?
fourth.
It is a place number. And Rabia is it's yourself. It is a tenth. Got it? Tn is the Rabia. And n is the fourth term. Means you have a place at the fourth value. At the fourth place. You have the places 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the very first place, it is the second place, it is the
So
third
the
place.
value in the first place will be Tn.
Yeah, the value is going to be, it is Miran here. So T1 is Miran, T2 is Fajr, T3 is Fatima. It is clear?
So Tn shows the value and n shows the place.
Yes.
Yes, I got it.
All right, good. Okay, what is the question? We have to find the, let's have to take the table down. All right, so the one way you have to be, you will get the nth, the value, okay? The second thing is you have to find the nth term of quadratic sequence like this. Obviously, that takes a lot of time. And then you have to substitute n is equal to 7 in that one. Or the second thing you have to be simply, you know that it is 7, then plus 8, it will be 28 plus 8,
36.
36.
36, and 36 plus 9, that will be
45.
45. This means that, where it is, this means that the total maths at seventh place is equal to 45. Clear? This is the easiest way. If you want to
Yes.
go with the long way, we can do it by that way as well. Let's do it with that way as well. The other way is, obviously, we will not recommend that one, but we have to find the nth term by, in the quadratic formula, it will be a plus n minus 1 into d1 plus n d2 divided by 2 into n minus 1 and n minus 2, right? Yes,
Yes, sir.
so first term is
Yes.
6 and minus 1. The difference is, the first difference is
4.
4
4 and 5.
plus 1 over 2 into, multiply them, n square minus 2n minus n plus 2. So it will be 6 plus 4n minus 4 plus 1 by 2 into n square minus 3n plus 2. So you will get that 6 minus 4, that will be 2 plus 4n plus 1 by 2 n square minus 3 by 2 n plus 2 by 2, that will be 1. All right. Now they are the same kinds. Just simplify them. 1 by 2 n square. 4 minus 3 by 2. It will be 8 minus 3 by 2. That will be 5 by 2, right?
Yeah.
That's greater than t plus 5 by 2 n, and 2 plus 1, that will be 3. Now substitute 7 here. 7 square 5 multiplied by 7 divided by, that is 45. We have to substitute 7 here. At n is equal to 7, you will get 45. But obviously, in the very simple sequence, I will not recommend that you have to go for the nth term, because you can, if you by using this one, you will get that it is a seventh term, and you can find firstly the seventh term by this way instead of you are finding the nth term and then you have to substitute it. Is it clear? In both ways, obviously, you will get the answer. But if you have to look for the marks of this question, obviously maybe the less one. Here's the marks. Here's the marks. There is no marks. All right. Yes, it is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Yes. Who's the next turn? Not sure. All right, let's start from Miran. Yes, Miran, tell me about this one. Which type of sequence it is?
Sir, it's arithmetic.
Again, arithmetic. So let's see how to leave. You have to do it by yourself. Move to the next question. Yes, tell me about the next one.
Sir, I don't get this one.
Yes, Hanana.
So do we have to find the sequence of the numerator and the denominator together? And then find the next term?
Yeah, we have to find a sequence. Which type of sequence it is going to be here, because we have a values. The one way, that is Fibonacci series, it is 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 4,
Sir, it's quadratic.
7. No, it is not quadratic. It is not any other one. It is, I'm not sure what it is. What is the exact name? 1 second. Oh, yeah, it is. Fibonacci sequence. Okay, the name of this one. But obviously, you have to understand the pattern. Obviously, he's not going to be asked you about the nth term of this one or any other thing. All right. You have to use a very basic concept of the sequences and look for it. How you will get the next term? What is the relation between the next terms? So if you will look at carefully, 1 plus 3, that will be
4.
4. 3 plus 4 will be
7.
7. And 7 plus 11, obviously 4 plus 7 will be 11, and 11 plus 7 is going to be the next value.
Next term.
So the next value will be, in the numerator, you will be
18.
7 plus 11, that will be
18.
Now we have to focus on the denominator. We have 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 7, 11. 7 plus 11, 18. So 11 plus 18,
18.
it will be
29.
29.
29. So the next term is going to be here. So the one of the term in the sequence is P by Q. So that was 18 word 29. Clear?
Yeah.
We find in terms of P and Q the next term in the sequence. Now it says that you have to find the relation. What is the relation here? In terms of P, because the upper value he says that it is P and the lower value is going to be Q. So how you will write it, the sequence? Okay. It is the second term, and this second term is basically the first term of this one, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
So it is in the denominator, so it is Q. And 8 what it will be?
P.
Sir, what do we have to find?
We have to find the sequence in terms of P and Q, the next term in this sequence. Yes,
Sir, isn't it 18 over 29?
it is. That's
18
the
over
value. That's
29.
the
So that's
value.
the
That's the
answer for
value.
the second question.
That's the value. That is the value. That is the value. We have also find this one. Here he says that you have to find the nth term. If you have to look at carefully, the numerator of the one term is the denominator of the previous term, right? The numerator of
Yes, sir.
the denominator of the previous term, right? And obviously the denominator is going to be formed by adding together to the numerator, or what will be the pattern here? It is q. So in the numerator, you will get that look at here 3 plus 3 and 3 plus 4, that is coming 7. Yes, Taha.
Sir, are there like specific rules or formulas to follow
No,
to
no,
solve
no,
these
no, no,
type of
no, no,
sequences?
no. You don't have. You have to look for the sequence.
Okay, sir.
You have to look for the pattern, that what is the pattern he is going to be followed. The pattern he is going to be followed at 1 plus 3 and 3 plus 4 and so on, right? So if I'm going to be started from the 1, and let's say that is q, so the denominator will be the next term, that is p and q. Yes. Look at here, this value is going to be, you will get this value after adding this one. If it is q, that is 3, then the next term is 4, and you will get the term 1 plus 3, that will be 4. 3 plus 4, that will be 7. 4 plus 7, that will be 11. 7 plus 11, that will be 18. Means you are adding two numerators and you will get the next denominator. Got it? And he says that the numerator value is p and the denominator value is q. So I'm going to be, let's say you have to take any patch. Let's say I'm going to be taking this patch. I'm going to start it from here. So look at here, 3 plus 4, that will be 7, right?
So we have to find
7.
the nth term
Yes.
or the next term.
We have to find the next term in terms of p and q. In terms of p and q. So, and he says that the numerator value is q. So basically, the denominator is the numerator of this value. Means if it is q, then it will be. If it is q, then it will be q as well, right?
Yes.
And the denominator will
I
be.
hope we're getting that value from adding 3 and 4.
1 second. I will do it right in another way. 1 second. Look at here. We have 1 by 3, we have 3 by 4, 4 by 7, 7 by 11. I'm going to be started from here. Let's say it is given that it is p and
Sir,
it is
it's
q,
7 by
right?
11.
It is p and it is q, right?
Sir, it's 7 over 11. You
Okay,
wrote 7 over 10.
3 over 4, 4 over 7,
Over
and
7
7
and
over.
then 7 over 11.
Okay, let's say it is p over q, right? Let's say I'm going to be finding this sequence. Yes, how you will find it? It is p over q as well. What is the relation between them? You have to find it. Basically, this value and this value is going to be same. And you will get that the 7 will be after adding p and q. In the same way, you have to go for the next. It is your p. Thus, this denominator will become here. That is basically q. And you have to be add them p and q. You will get the denominator. In simple words, the denominator will become the numerator, and you will get the denominator after adding numerator and denominator. All right.
Yes, sir.
You are
Clear.
getting the numerator, your denominator will become numerator, so that is q, and you are getting the next denominators after adding numerator and denominator means p plus q. This is a general term. Q divided by p plus q is the general term that we have to be finding here. This is the rule here. Obviously, you cannot use any formula, anything. You have to understand the sequence and try to find it. Yes, everyone. Any question up to here?
Yes.
No, sir.
Not clear?
No, there isn't any questions.
Okay. Okay. Now let's we have to go to the next one. Okay. I think during the sequence I forgot to inform about the sequence. Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is just like this. The first value is 1 and the second value is any other one. That's a 3. So 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 7, 11. 7 plus 11,
11.
18, and so on. This type of sequence is known as Fibonacci series. Okay. I will send you the PDF so you have to note down this thing. All right. So we have the next one. We have to tell the next term. So look at his same. P plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. The same pattern. Can you see it? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Or in other words, if you have to just look in the numerator, just look for in the denominator, it is 1, 3, 7, 13. Yes, what is the difference? 2. The difference is 4. The difference is, yes, what is the difference?
6.
6,
The next difference is
8.
8.
8. Obviously, the next will be 2, right? Means it is a, in numerator you have a quadratic sequence, and in denominator you have
Arithmetic sequence.
arithmetic sequence. You can easily find the next term. So your next term will be, you have to plus 10, 21 plus 10,
31.
31
1 over
plus
12.
12.
11,
12.
12.
12. So the next term will be 31 over.
12.
Yes, it is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. In the next one, and always remember, if he is going to be give you the sequence in the fractional form, so you have to deal the numerator separately and the denominator separately. Means numerator is your separate sequence and denominator is your separate sequence. Now let's talk about the numerator. 3 by 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 1. In the denominators, that is
2.
2, 2, 2, 2. He says that what is the next term? Yes, the next term
8
will be
over
8 over 15.
8 over
Yeah.
15. And next he says that you have to find the nth term. For the nth term, we have to talk about numerator first of all. The numerator will be Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That will be 3 minus 1. It is n plus 2. It is clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
And the denominator will be, we
5.
have Tn is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 and the difference is 2. It is 2n. 2 multiplied by 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5, that will be.
3.
So you will get the sequence, numerator is n plus 2 and denominator is 2n plus 3. So don't be confused if you are getting the fractional sequence, okay?
Okay.
You have to deal the both sequence separately. All right, so all right, everyone, just do the next questions. And obviously, there are some questions are going to be a little bit hard. Look at here. It is a sequence. You have to find the A sequence first of all, then B sequence, and then C sequence. All right.
Okay.
And I think in the denominator, we did not do any part. It is 8, 16, 32, 64. I think it's a geometric sequence. 2 multiplied by 8, 16. 16 multiplied by 2, you have a common ratio, right?
Yeah.
16 over 8, 2. 32 over 16, 2. 64 over 2.
64.
So how we can find the nth term?
By multiplying 64.
AR.
A into R and minus 8. Ratio is 2. Power n minus 1. 8 can be written as 2 power 3. Use the rule of indices. Bases are same, add the powers. Minus 1 plus 2, that will be plus 3, that will be plus 2. So I'm not sure what is numerator, but the denominator is 2 and plus 2. And the numerator is simply, it's an arithmetic sequence.
11.
I think it is n plus 6, I think. Yeah, n plus 6. Because 1, it will be 7, 2, it will be 6, and so on.
Okay.
Okay. It is the calculator worksheet. Now look at here, one more pattern. In the pattern, you have to find the sequences, and obviously you have to use the rule of the sequence as well. The difficult part of the sequence is this type of sequence in which you have to be find the rule by yourself. Here it is, like this. In this one, you have to be find the rule by yourself, that which rule is going to be here that you are getting the next